Maria has 7 cows. She gets totally from her 7 cows in the morning 40-50 liters of milk. She mixes in the milk rennet. Rennet is a starter, it's an enzyme. In 2.5 hours, the milk and the rennet, look what happens. This was liquid milk, and now it's
solid.
Wait. This was liquid milk, and now it's
Solid.
Rennet.
cheese.
We're terrible.
A starter. Yeah. We're on holiday.
I like this word now to say coagulate. That's why now I like it because of that. But you're right, that you call curds. Huh?
Yeah.
So there is a remaining liquid from the coagulated milk that is the whey. So we have curd and whey. And we have Little Miss Muffet. She separates the whey from the curd. That's why she used that fork, to separate the liquid part. And she boils up the whey. On the top of the boiling whey comes out another type of cheese. It's a light white cream that Maria often have to skim out. Now, I'm sure that if there is any Italian in this group, and I think with that face you can't say no.
I meant yes.
You look like an Italian man, that's why.
Thank you.
You're not Italian. It's a round shape like a ball, filled in a bag with a liquid inside. But this is a very normal shape. We don't buy this here. We have the different shapes for different uses. So the one that we most buy, especially when we have guests, is a treccia. Treccia means braid or plait. It's a nice round braided ring. We buy it because it's nicer for the presentation. First you enjoy to see and then you enjoy to eat. So we buy a braid and not a simply bow. And Maria have learned this from her mother. She was just 16 years old when she started to learn. So I can say that she made the cheese since she was 16 years old. Now she's 22. She likes it when I say that. But I mean Italian years, they're very long. Look how soft it is, huh? And this is the work that Maria makes every day, 7 days a week, and that for the whole year long. So that means no vacation. She's here because you are standing here, and she wants now some piece of cheese from Maria. She's the official cheese taster of the farm. Huh? That's why I say that she's very spoiled. Look at her hands, you can imagine how hot is the way in the bowl, huh?
Yeah.
Every day, 7 days a week, huh?
Yeah.
Sometimes she said to me, Rosa, I make this 8 times in a week because I dream in the night about it. Not now, because now the temperature is cooled down, but we had a very long dry summer. 4 months, dry and hot, and it was terrible for her because it was hot out and hot in the bowl, huh?
Yeah.
Now look the way how she braid the braid, and imagine that sometimes in between this braid she puts slices of prosciutto. That looks very nice. So if you don't mind now, in 5 Italian seconds, when she has finished, take a nice picture with Maria and the nice round braided ring, she likes that. She doesn't speak English, but she knows what I'm saying because I say this every day. But you know, she has something to tell you, very special in English. Picture. Wait first for what she has to tell you, and then after you take your picture. Wait, please.
Okay.
Wait, yeah? Listen. Cheese.